The metaverse has become one of the most exciting spaces for financial opportunity because it merges virtual experiences with blockchain technology, Web3 economy systems, and decentralized finance in a way that allows people to earn money, build businesses, and create assets without needing physical resources or traditional structures. When people ask how to make money in the metaverse, the real answer is that the metaverse offers dozens of income paths depending on creativity, skill level, and willingness to explore new digital environments. It is powered by crypto tokens and digital ownership systems, which means every item, every piece of land, every avatar customization, and every digital collectible has the potential to generate real financial value. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced investor, the metaverse income opportunities are expanding faster than ever because virtual land, NFT marketplace ecosystems, crypto gaming, and digital real estate continue attracting millions of users globally. The demand for digital experiences is increasing, and as more brands, creators, and developers enter the space, more people are learning how to make money online using virtual assets and blockchain-backed economies. One of the biggest ways people earn in the metaverse is through buying, selling, renting, or flipping digital real estate. Virtual land is similar to physical property in the sense that location, usefulness, and demand influence the market value. Platforms like Decentraland, The Sandbox, Otherside, and Somnium Space allow users to buy plots of land using crypto tokens and develop them into VR business environments, gaming experiences, NFT galleries, virtual clubs, or event spaces. Businesses can pay you to advertise on your land. Creators can use your land for digital exhibitions, or you can rent out your land to other users who need virtual property for their projects. Some investors buy undervalued plots early and sell them later at higher prices once the platform gains popularity. This is one of the most profitable metaverse investment strategies because digital land scarcity creates long-term value, especially when the world expands and more users arrive. The more active the platform becomes, the more valuable your land may be, making it a strong source of passive income crypto systems. Another powerful revenue stream in the metaverse comes from NFT creation and trading. Becoming an NFT creator allows you to produce digital artwork, virtual fashion, music, animations, 3D assets, or avatar accessories that users buy to personalize their experiences inside virtual worlds. The NFT marketplace has grown into a multi-billion-dollar global industry where designers, artists, and developers earn money by selling digital items that users collect or use to enhance their virtual identities. Some people specialize in designing avatar skins, rare wearables, or limited edition collectibles that create strong demand due to scarcity. Others build 3D furniture, vehicles, or architectural structures that people use to decorate their virtual homes. Because ownership is verified on the blockchain, users trust that their digital items are authentic and unique, which increases the chances of sales. Trading NFTs can also generate revenue because you can buy valuable collections early and sell them later when the price increases, especially when metaverse projects gain attention or celebrity collaborations appear. Play-to-earn crypto gaming is another major income path that allows users to earn tokens, virtual items, or digital collectibles while enjoying immersive gameplay. In these ecosystems, players earn rewards based on performance, participation, and time invested. These rewards can be traded, sold, or converted to real money. Games like Axie Infinity, Illuvium, Big Time, Star Atlas, and others are known for allowing players to earn metaverse income simply by playing daily missions or participating in competitive battles. Some players breed rare game characters, upgrade powerful items, or collect rare NFT loot that becomes valuable on the open market. Guilds also exist where investors buy strong NFTs and rent them to players in exchange for profit sharing. Play-to-earn models continue to evolve, introducing new mechanics like move-to-earn, learn-to-earn, create-to-earn, and socialize-to-earn systems where users generate value through daily activities. This shift creates an entirely new digital workforce that earns entirely inside the metaverse economy. Freelancers and remote workers are also earning money inside the metaverse by offering services, skills, and expertise. There are metaverse jobs available for virtual architects, community managers, programmers, event organizers, moderators, 3D designers, marketers, and world builders. Companies hire people to host virtual events, maintain online communities, design branded spaces, or create interactive experiences. Some brands hire virtual assistants to help manage digital storefronts or NFT collections. Because the metaverse functions as a fully online environment, anyone with professional skills can find income opportunities regardless of geographic location. This is why the Web3 economy is becoming more attractive to young professionals seeking digital-first careers with higher flexibility and global reach. Virtual event hosting has also become a profitable method for earning money in the metaverse. People organize concerts, conferences, exhibitions, product launches, workshops, and fashion shows inside virtual environments. Creators charge ticket fees, sell virtual merchandise, offer NFT VIP passes, or earn sponsorship deals. For example, an artist can host a metaverse concert with thousands of attendees without needing a physical venue, and brands can pay for visibility inside the event. Virtual event planners, stage designers, sound engineers, and technical directors all exist in the metaverse, and they earn money by offering professional services. As more organizations adopt metaverse platforms for business meetings, training sessions, and remote collaboration, people are discovering new ways to monetize their time inside these spaces. Another strong approach to earning income is participating in decentralized finance systems integrated into metaverse platforms. DeFi protocols allow users to stake crypto tokens, provide liquidity, farm yields, or lend digital assets for interest. Many metaverse tokens offer staking rewards, which means you can lock your tokens and earn passive income over time. Some people buy metaverse tokens early and stake them during the growth phase of the project, earning consistent rewards while the token's value appreciates. Liquidity pools allow users to earn transaction fees when people trade tokens on the platform. Lending protocols let users supply their assets to borrowers and collect interest. DeFi systems make the metaverse more financially dynamic because they create long-term earning opportunities independent of active participation. Metaverse advertising and digital marketing provide additional ways to earn money. Brands are spending millions on metaverse billboards, avatar influencers, virtual product placements, and branded experiences. If you own virtual land in a high-traffic area, companies might pay to place their ads on your property. Influencers who build strong followings through virtual content, tutorials, live streams, or in-world appearances can earn money through brand sponsorships, promotions, and collaborations. Virtual influencers with unique avatars and strong storytelling attract massive audiences and earn income just like real-world influencers. Businesses also hire creators to design metaverse ad campaigns that blend creativity with immersive experiences. Building and selling metaverse businesses is another profitable path. People create virtual shops, digital museums, gaming arenas, social clubs, VR business hubs, or rental services that generate income through token payments. Some people run avatar clothing stores or NFT boutiques. Others run photography studios where users pay to capture high-quality images of their avatars. Some entrepreneurs build virtual casinos or gaming centers where users pay to participate in fun experiences. Because these businesses operate inside a decentralized economy, owners keep full control of their earnings without needing permission from traditional institutions. Content creation inside the metaverse is another powerful income generator. Many creators produce YouTube videos, TikTok content, tutorials, virtual world reviews, NFT breakdowns, and crypto education videos that gain large audiences. They monetize through ads, sponsorships, affiliate links, and partnerships with metaverse platforms. As interest in the metaverse continues growing, educational content about digital assets, blockchain technology, virtual land strategies, and metaverse trading becomes more popular. Creators who provide valuable insights attract more viewers, which increases their revenue streams. People also earn money through avatar customization businesses, creating skins, accessories, animations, movements, and identity upgrades that metaverse users consistently buy. Unique avatar designs help people stand out inside virtual worlds, so creators who master 3D modeling or digital fashion can build highly profitable shops. Some creators collaborate with brands to launch limited edition wearables that become rare collectibles. The demand for custom identity items continues growing because avatars function as personal brands inside the metaverse. Affiliate marketing inside the metaverse is another overlooked opportunity. Several platforms offer referral programs where users earn crypto tokens for inviting new participants, onboarding creators, or promoting NFT drops. Some metaverse projects reward affiliates for driving traffic, increasing community engagement, or bringing in new investors. Affiliate income can become a long-term passive income source when done strategically. Metaverse analytics and consultancy is another fast-growing profession. Businesses want advice on entering the metaverse, buying virtual land, launching NFT collections, building virtual stores, or connecting with Web3 communities. Consultants help organizations navigate these digital environments and charge fees for strategic guidance, making it a lucrative career path for experts with strong knowledge of the space. All these methods show that the metaverse is not just a digital playground, but a fully functional economic universe where anyone can build wealth, explore creativity, and create new streams of metaverse income. The key is understanding your skills, your interests, and the opportunities that align with your strengths, because the metaverse rewards exploration, innovation, and consistency. If you found this guide valuable and you want more deep, powerful, and simplified explanations about making money in Web3, crypto, NFTs, and the metaverse, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on content that can help you build digital wealth for the future.